Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of itsflip.com. So Flip is basically an online platform where you can buy the products and just give the reviews of those products, and you can actually earn the money by reviewing the product in different kind of videos, and or these videos are basically a TikTok style videos. So every review is verified and no fake reviews. You can even find the reviews of the people who have bought different products if you want to confirm if this product is legit or how are people experiences different kind of products. So now let's dive in and find out what's actually behind this fancy application and the intuitive user interface. As you can see, this application is also available on the Google Play Store, and it has a 500k plus downloads, and the ratings are 4.0, which is based on 996 reviews. So I would say this is a really good rating because 500 plus 1000 plus people are already downloaded it. So this is a major green signal. Now let's dive a little bit deeper and find out what are the reviews of the people about this platform on the Trustpilot. As you can see, it has a worst review of 2.1, which is very poor, and it is based on 108 reviews. And people are actually complaining that I have experience with Flip. They sell fake 921 sterling silver bag, and they're kind of different fake products. And once we dive in, as you can see, the 22% of the people have given the 5 stars and 68% have given the 1 star, so which raises concerns about the originality of this product. So in conclusion, I would say you should not invest a lot of time on this platform. You can give it a shot, just buy one product which is not that much expensive and give the reviews and see how it goes with your experience. So I hope this review was helpful for you. If you guys want me to review any other product, just do let me know. Thank you so much for watching the video, and hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.